You guys, I have to get on and show you the coolest carry-on luggage. I absolutely love this. So first of all, it's just a really pretty color. I really love that. And it is a great material. So I just right off the bat, right off the get-go, the material is awesome. The bag looks really sleek, but this thing is so functional. And let me show you some of the reasons why. So we've got pockets galore. We have a front pocket, we have a magnetic pocket, we have another pocket, and another pocket. So we have got just on the front here 1, 2, 3, 4 big pockets, and within those pockets there's like smaller little compartments and things. And this is so nice because inside this big main pocket, I'll kind of hold it right here, you can see we have laptop carrier, we have other little pockets inside here. So there's just so much storage in this. But the thing that makes this so unique and so functional is this feature right here. You can pull this up right here and you can wheel it. So it has wheels on it. You can wheel it, or if you don't want to wheel it, in this back flap right here, you can carry it like a backpack. So it goes either direction. You have adjustable backpack straps right here. So you can use this as a luggage wheeling, or you can pull the straps out and use it as a backpack style. And it fits carry-on luggage. So this is so nice. It fits the criteria to be a carry-on. You can wheel it, you can wear it as a backpack. It has like a bajillion pockets, side pockets, front pockets, big main pocket. This thing is so cool, and I just love how diverse it is with the wheel and with the backpack straps. So if you are needing some new luggage and you want to have something that's a carry-on but super functional, check this guy out. This is seriously so cool, so functional, tons of room. I absolutely love this one. Make sure you check it out.